Hello, friends. This is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and today's music and movement has been brought to us by Nanny Nikki. Hi, Nanny Nikki. What are you going to sing for us today?
Hiya, friends. It's Nanny Nikki. Today, we're going to sing a song all about washing our clothes. That's right, because that's one of the things that we need to do to help keep our bodies clean. If we wash our clothes and keep them clean, we can keep our bodies clean too. That's right. Are you ready to wash with me? Okay, so what I want you to do when we get to the part that says wash, I want you to scrub. Can you do that? Show me with both of your hands how you scrub. Good job. All right, we're going to get ready to wash. If you have jeans and shirts stiff with grease and with dirt, put them in the washing machine. Wash them till they're nice and clean. Are you ready to wash? Here we go. Wash, washing machine. Wash your clothes till they are clean. Hang them out on a sunny day. Fold them up and put them away. Pick your socks up off the floor. If they're stinky, don't put them in the drawer. Put them in the washing machine and wash them till they're nice and clean. Are you ready to wash again? Get your arms ready. Wash, washing machine. Wash your clothes till they are clean. Hang them out on a sunny day. Fold them up and put them away. Now, I've got a really special tip for you, so pay attention. Separate whites and reds, or you'll get pinks instead. Put them in the washing machine and wash them till they're nice and clean. One more big wash. Here we go. Wash, washing machine. Wash your clothes till they are clean. Hang them out on a sunny day. Fold them up and put them away. Great job washing your clothes. Bye.
Thank you, Nanny Nikki, for stopping by to sing the washing machine song. Wasn't that so cute? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to know more about Nanny Nikki, I left her information in the description box, so be sure to check it and visit her page. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.